Millions of years ago, our familiar world was a place of alien beauty, roamed by the colossal beings we know as dinosaurs. These magnificent creatures ruled every corner of Earth, their reign an era defined by raw power and majestic grace. From the wide-open plains where gentle herbivores like the towering Brachiosaurus peacefully grazed high-reaching foliage, their long necks silhouetted against a sun that has witnessed the rise and fall of countless ages, to the dense and shadowy underbrush where fierce carnivores like the Tyrannosaurus rex stalked their prey with calculated precision. These predators, armed with razor-sharp teeth and powerful limbs, were the undisputed rulers of their domain, instilling fear and admiration in equal measure. This was a world where survival hinged not just on the brute strength or the stealthy cunning of these creatures, but also on their ability to adapt to the complex ecosystems of ancient Earth. From the arid deserts that tested the endurance of every creature, to the humid, oxygen-rich jungles that teemed with life, the age of dinosaurs showcased the incredible diversity of life forms evolving over millions of years. Their dominion spanned continents, leaving an indelible mark on the planet's geological and biological history. For over 150 million years, dinosaurs were the undisputed sovereigns of our planet. Throughout this vast span of time, each species evolved to perfectly suit its environment, displaying a stunning array of survival strategies that astonish scientists to this day. From the armored plates of the Stegosaurus, a formidable defense against predators, to the swift and agile velociraptor, whose keen intelligence and pack-hunting tactics were as fearsome as These magnificent creatures not only evolved physically, but also ecologically, in their respective habitats. The mighty sauropods, such as the Diplodocus and the Argentinosaurus, towered over the lush fern prairies, their long necks reaching heights of over 30 feet to browse on leaves that were beyond the reach of other herbivores. In contrast, the fierce Tyrannosaurus rex, with its powerful jaws capable of an incredible force, ruled as one of the apex predators, with its name King of the Tyrant Lizards, hinting at its dominance. Dinosaurs also conquered every ecological niche, from the arid deserts roamed by the agile Silophysis, which hunted in packs like wolves of the ancient sands, to the shadowy, humid wetlands where the semi-aquatic Spinosaurus stalked fish with its crocodile-like jaws. This era of giants was a time of intense evolutionary innovation that shaped the life forms on our planet, setting the stage for the complex ecosystems we see today. The legacy of the dinosaurs, through their fossils, provides us with a window into an Earth vastly different from our own, a world where these incredible creatures reign supreme, adapting and thriving against all odds. As the sun rises over the prehistoric horizon, the daily life of the dinosaurs begins. These ancient giants adapted to fill every ecological role, from the smallest insectivores to the largest predators. Each species had its unique way of surviving in a world that was as brutal as it was beautiful. In the cool morning air, small packs of Truden, one of the smartest dinosaurs, use their keen vision and agility to hunt for insects and smaller reptiles. Their large, forward-facing eyes provide them with excellent depth perception, crucial for detecting prey and predators alike. By midday, the vast floodplains echo with the calls of Triceratops herds. These herbivores, known for their impressive three-horned faces, move together in protected groups, their young safely nestled within the herd. Social bonds are strong, and their collective vigilance keeps them safe from predators. The peculiar Therizinosaurus, with its massive claws and long neck, spends hours feeding on tall shrubs and trees. Despite its daunting appearance, this giant is a gentle herbivore, its claws not for hunting but for pulling down branches to reach tender leaves. As dusk approaches, the air fills with tension. A pack of Allosaurus, formidable predators, prowls the mountain ridges. Working together, they use their speed and power to chase down large herbivores. Communication and strategy are key to their survival and success in these harsh terrains. When night falls, the prehistoric world does not sleep. It simply changes guards. Nocturnal dinosaurs and other creatures emerge, taking their turn in the eternal cycle of survival. The diversity of dinosaur life forms, from the smallest scavenger to the mightiest predator, illustrates a dynamic, interconnected ecosystem where every creature plays a role in maintaining the delicate balance of life. "66 million years ago, the reign of the dinosaurs faced an abrupt and catastrophic end. An asteroid approximately 10 kilometers in diameter approached Earth at an unimaginable speed, its collision not just a spectacle of fire and fury, but a trigger for one of the most profound mass extinctions in Earth's history. When the asteroid struck the Yucatan Peninsula, it unleashed energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The impact created a massive crater, known today as the Chicxulub crater, and launched an immense quantity of dust, ash, and vaporized rock into the atmosphere. debris spread quickly, enveloping the Earth in a thick cloud of dust that blocked sunlight for years, disrupting photosynthesis and plunging the world into a nuclear winter. Global temperatures plummeted and ecosystems began to collapse. The sudden drop in temperature and the darkness led to a drastic decline in plant life, which in turn affected herbivores and the entire food chain up to the apex predators. Starvation and the harsh environmental conditions wiped out nearly 75% of all species, including the majestic dinosaurs. In addition to the darkness and cold, the impact also triggered volcanic activities and massive wildfires across the globe. These events released more particulates and gases into the atmosphere, further exacerbating the environmental stress on surviving species. The Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event reshaped the evolutionary trajectory of life on Earth. In the absence of dinosaurs, mammals and other small creatures that survived the extinction began to diversify, eventually giving rise to the species we know today, including humans.